to Adiyaman Metric ISND School online class. Today we are going to see 10th Samachir Kalvi Unit 7 Supplementary A Dilemma, which was written by Silas Weir Mitchell. Okay students, decision making. What do you think about decision making? Decision making is very important in each and everybody's life. If we take a right decision, we will harvest success. If we take a wrong decision, we will harvest failure. After that, we must face all the consequences. Each one must face this critical situation in their life, like this or that. That particular situation which you chose, the particular situation makes a dramatic change in your life. Likewise, look at here, students. Imagine that you got an MBBS seat in government medical college, as well as at the same time you got a government engineering seat in IIT Madras. Both are valuable. Which one will you choose? Can you guess? So you are confused because engineering seat also very important, as well as medical seat also very important. So both are in government seat, which is very important, which is very good to your future. Which one will you choose? So you are in confused mind. So this kind of situation is called a dilemma. A dilemma. Dilemma means a situation in which a difficult choice has to be made between two or more alternatives, especially ones that are equally undesirable. That means both qualities are very important. So we are in confused mind. Which one we are going to choose? That confused mind is called a dilemma. The author was Silas Weir Mitchell. Silas Weir Mitchell. Who was Silas Weir Mitchell? About the author, Silas Weir Mitchell was born in 1829 and died in 1914. Was a neurologist by profession. Neurologist means a specialist in anatomy, functions and organic disorders of nerves and the nerve system. He is called neurologist. That means he is a well-known doctor. He was among the famous physicians of his time and a prolific writer of both scientific and literary works. He was a famous doctor as well as a famous writer. He was born in Philadelphia, studied at the University of Pennsylvania, received the degree of MD in 1850. So he was born in Philadelphia. Philadelphia is situated in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is in USA, and studied at the University of Pennsylvania, received the degree of MD. MD means Doctor of Medicine in 1850. He is considered the father of neurology. Father means a forerunner. He is the first person as well as a pioneer scientific medicine. He published more than 25 literary titles. That means 25 literary works, and his medical experiences and the background enabled him to write his historical fictions as much as psychological insight. So because of his medical influence only, he write 25 literary works based on scientific and medicine oriented. Many honorary degrees were conferred upon him by several universities at home as well as abroad. Many awards, many things were many awards were awarded on the name of Silas Weir Mitchell. The American Academy of Neurology Award for Young Researchers is named after him. Nowadays, the American Academy of Neurology Award, it is a award. This award is awarded by the government of America in America, named after Silas Weir Mitchell. Okay, students, let us see what are the characters are there in the story. Characters. First character, Tom, the narrator and poor clerk. Next, the Tom's mother. Third, Uncle Flip. Uncle Flip is Tom's uncle. That means Tom's father's brother. He is a mechanical engineer. Susan, Tom's lady love. Lady love means about to marry Susan. Dr. Scaff, Uncle Flip's doctor. Professor Clinch, consultant. Tom. Let us see a short note on each and every characters. Tom. Who is Tom? Tom is Tom is 37 years old Tom was a protagonist of this play, of this story. Protagonist means a leading character or one of the major character in this play. And lived with his mother. Tom was living with his mother, hate his father's brother. That means Tom hate Uncle Flip about to marry Susan. Tom is going to marry Susan. Susan, and then Tom's mother. There is no short note on Tom's mother. So she is a little character. Uncle Flip, Tom's uncle. Uncle Flip is nothing but Tom's father's brother. He's a mechanical engineer. So Tom's uncle was a bachelor. So I am going to give you a short note. Tom's uncle, Uncle Flip is nothing but he was a bachelor. He was cunning and a malicious person, living alone. He was much interested in collecting valuable gems and pearls. Gems and pearls. What are the gems and pearls means? We are going to see in the next slide. After his death, after the Uncle Flip's death, he declared Tom as his only heir. Heir means a legal owner of his property. Leaving an iron box for Tom, which fully contains pearls and gems. Uncle Flip, leaving all his property to Tom. He is leaving an iron box. Iron box means which is made of iron, which fully contains pearls and gems. And then next character, Dr. Scaff, Uncle Flip's doctor. Professor Clinch is a consultant, and another character too. A father. Father means priest. Tom asks some advice from the priest. So let us see the story. Let us get into the story, students. Uncle Flip in deathbed. The story begins with Tom. Tom was 37 when his Uncle Flip died. A week before, he met his uncle, who at his deathbed announced Tom as his heir. Uncle Flip was an ingenious mechanical engineer. He had this mania of collecting precious stones, especially rubies and pearls. Whenever he bought a gem, he used to carry it in his pocket for a month and kept it in an iron box in a safe. Safe means in a locker. Tom was 37 years old when his uncle, if uncle means who is uncle, father's brother, Uncle Flip died. Only a week before, only a 1 week before, Uncle Flip called Tom and announced him Tom as his heir means the legal owner of his property, Uncle Flip's property. Uncle Flip was an ingenious mechanical. Ingenious means very famous and cunning as well as brilliant. Brilliant mechanical engineer. He had this mania. Mania means an excessive enthusiasm or desire, excessive desire of collecting precious stones, especially rubies and pearls. So he is collecting rubies, a kind of gems and pearls. So for his salary, what are the things? As he grew richer, he desired to possess rare gems, costly gems became stronger. Then it was added to the collection in his safe and the trust company. He collected more rubies for his earning money and deposited and kept it in a safe bank locker. Whenever he bought a gem, he used to carry it in his pocket for a month and kept it an iron box for a safe. He kept it all the gems. He earned a lot of money and collected, and for all the money for collecting gems and keep all the gems in a safe. Safe means in a bank locker. Gift to Tom. Uncle gifted the safe's key to Tom, telling that Tom has to pay for his funeral. He added that before opening the box, Tom should read the letter on the top of the box. Tom took the box from the safe, and the letter above it says the box contains many rubies and diamonds, a famous pearl necklace, and a green pearl. Uncle gifted the safe. Safes means the iron box key to Tom, telling that Tom has to pay for his funeral. Here, Uncle Peep asked Tom, after my death, you have to pay, you have to spend all the money for my funeral. After my ceremony, a death ceremony, you just go to the bank and there will be a box, iron box. This is iron box. This iron box is 8 inches wide and 10 inches long and 10 inches height. Mentioned again, I will tell you, this is 10 inches long and 8 inches wide and 10 inches height. This is a critical iron box, which is interesting, which is fixed, which is made up of a interesting mechanism. So we are going to see in later. Uncle Peep told that after my funeral, after my death ceremony, you just spend all my funeral, and then you just go to the bank and take this iron box. This iron box contains good gems and pearls and more valuable things in it. So he added that before opening the box, okay Tom, if you receive the box, don't open it immediately. Yeah, there will be a letter on the top of the box. He added that before opening the box, Tom should read the letter on the top of the box. Tom took the box from the safe. Safe means the safe or locker. And the letter above it says, the box contains many rubies and diamonds. So inside the box there will be what? Many diamonds, many rubies, many gems, pearls like that. A famous pearl necklace and a green pearl. These are all the things contained. Before opening the box, you have to just read the letter on the top of it. So what is the letter? This is the letter. Look at here, students. This is the letter. What is here? We see, Dear Tom. This box contains a large number of very fine pigeon blood rubies and a fair lot of diamonds. One is the blue, a beauty. There are hundreds of pearls. One of the famous green pearl and the necklace of the blue pearl, for which any woman would sell her soul or her affections. Dear Tom, this box contains which box? This box. This box contains a large number of very fine pigeon blood rubies. Blood means blood color, red color. This looking like this. These are all the pearls. This red color pearl rubies and a fair lot of diamonds. There will be hundreds of diamonds are there. One is blue. One is looking like a blue diamond, and there are hundreds of pearls. One of the famous green pearl, like a green pearl, one of the famous green pearl, and the necklace of blue pearl, for which any woman would sell her soul. So for these all the pearls and gems and diamonds, one woman can sell her soul to, her affections to, her love for these things to. I thought of Susan. So I refers to here Tom. Tom thought of Susan. Susan means Susan, her lover. So these are all the things suitable to her his lover, lady love. I wish you to continue to have expectation and continuously to remember your dear uncle. So I give you all these valuable things to you only because you must remember always your uncle Philip. I would have left these stones to some charity. I maybe give some all this my property to some charity. Charity means organizations. But instead, I hate the poor as much as I hate your mother's son. So instead of that, you are my legal owner. So I just think I make one person happy in my life, so that I leave all these things to you. You are my brother son, no? That's why I will give you all the things to you. The box contain an interesting mechanism which will act with certainly as you unlock it, and explode 10 ounces of my improved super sensitive dynamite know to be accurate. There are only 9.5 ounces. Doubt me and open it. And if You will be blown to atoms, believe me, and you will continue to nourish expectations which will never be fulfilled. As a considerate man, I counsel extreme care in handling the box. Don't forget your affectionate Uncle Philip. He said after that, this box, this 10 inches long, 8 inches wide, 8 inches height, this box is made up of interesting mechanism. If you try to open the box contains 10 ounces. That means 10 ounces of improved super sensitive dynamite. He accurately said that 9.5 ounces dynamite. Dynamite is, na, look at this picture. Here I give you. This is dynamite. It's a very explosive. So which is used in well and to split rocks. So this is very powerful powder like that, and the dynamite. So which is inserted in the box, in the iron box. If you doubt, open it, and if you open the box, what will happen? You will blown to atoms. Atoms means you will be pieces. Believe me, and you will continue to nourish expectations which will never be fulfilled. So if you fear to open it, don't open. If you will not fear, open it, you will become what, a rich man. I counsel extreme care. So as a considerate man, I just advise you, don't open. Without care. If you are what, eager to open, with care you open it. Don't forget your affectionate. So don't forget your uncle, please. He said that this is the letter. This is the all these things given in the letter. Box and the dynamite. The box contains an interesting mechanism. If it is opened without doubt, it will explode, as it contains super sensitive dynamite approximately 9.5 ounces. Tom was shocked with the truth in the cruel letter. He kept it a closet. Closet means cupboard. He began to find the ways to open it safely. So he has a key in his hand. He has a box too. So both box as well as the key in his hand, but he can't open. Why? He is in dilemma. That's why the story is named after a dilemma. Tom is in dilemma condition now. If we open, what will happen? If we open, it will blow, explode. Explode means blast. He became what? He became smashed into pieces, as it contains why. What is the reason? It contains super sensitive dynamite, approximately 9.5 ounces. So he was shocked with the truth in the cruel letter and the cruel mind of his uncle, father's brother, Uncle Philip. He kept it. He kept the box. He kept the iron box in the closet. Closet means in his house cupboard. He began to find the way to open. So there will be a what, a way to open. So we must find it. So let us see next. Trying is best. Tom though thought of the opening. Tom thought of opening it at a safe distance, but doesn't want a rupees to blast off. He watched, guarded carefully from all around him. He lost concentration in his work and also personal life. This leads to reduction of his salary, and his marriage was out of question. So he trying many ways. What are the ways? We may see in next class. Thank you.